Hello, and thanks for joining me for another review. Today we have the RCA Pro 10 edition with keyboard. This is a 10-inch high-definition resolution tablet with multi-touch screen and also built-in apps like Voodoo and some Word document spreadsheets and presentations. This is a Android 4.2 tablet that has been updated already, and it has a screen resolution of 1024 by 600, has 16 gigabytes of memory, battery life of 6 hours. It has Wi-Fi 802.11b, G, and N. It has Bluetooth and built-in camera. Now this is going to be just a little bit different review than I normally do. I received this tablet and did the review of it, sent it back to them, and then my computer crashed and I had to put a new hard drive in, and I lost the video for it. So if you'll please bear with me, I will give you a review of this tablet, but it will be a static picture. And in the future, I will, as soon as I make a video, I'll just go ahead and put it off onto an external hard drive and resolve this problem. Again, this is the RCA Pro 10 edition with keyboard, and this tablet is really nice. The screen resolution is low, 1024 by 600, which to me is not high definition. 480 is considered high definition, but as we all know, 480 really doesn't cut it unless you're just watching YouTube videos. Though it is a quick tablet and the processor speed is impressive. It has 1 gigabyte of RAM, and around the edges you have the volume rocker up and down, power button, you have a microphone, you have a SD card slot, micro SD card slot, and you also have a proprietary charging port. This does have a micro USB, but it can't be charged through that, or I've not been able to get it to, and I've tried several different ways. This tablet is just sort of a mid-range tablet. I wouldn't suggest you get it if you want to do business on it, because it's not that kind of a tablet. While it does have a keyboard, the keyboard does stick sometimes and is non-responsive, and you have to reset it for it to work. But other than that, it's just for sort of general daily use, watching YouTube and maybe Netflix or something like that, then you're not going to have really that much trouble out of it. It does come with a camera built into it. It's not really that impressive. I couldn't find what the resolution of the camera was, so I'm assuming it's probably around 1.5, 2 megapixels. It gets the job done, but not very well. I would say on a scale from 1 to 10, I would probably give this tablet about a 5 or a 6. Like I said, it's a mid-range tablet and not that impressive. Like I said, it does come with some apps already included, like Word documents, spreadsheets, and presentations, and it does come installed with Voodoo. But Voodoo you have to pay for that, so it's not like you're getting anything for free, and it is removable, which is most of these apps that come on here are removable, and I did like that. I don't like it when they lock it down to where you can't remove it. This tablet can be unlocked, and you can do custom ROMs. I've seen people put some of the several. I'm not sure exactly what number it is, but it's the Cyanogen mods, and they do have a list of them that you can put on here, which makes this tablet a whole lot more useful. And the camera app that comes with the Cyanogen mod does make the camera work better for some weird reason, so I'm not sure exactly what's the deal there. Anyway, this is like I said, it's a mid-range tablet. It's all right. I wouldn't pay $129 for it, but some people that look at it and go, hey, it comes with a keyboard. Usually a keyboard, you're going to add about between $25 and $100 for a good keyboard. But personally, for myself, I'll stick with the iPad. Anyway, that is my review of the RCA Pro 10 edition with keyboard from RCA. Thank you for watching. Please rate and subscribe.